This is the header. We run the cable from the back to the electrical connector. After entering, then connect it to these two DC 24 volts, positive and negative. Then we need to insert the wire directly, without a knob. When inserting, if the wire is soft, you need to press the orange button first. Press it down first, then insert it and release it. It's connected. If the wire is relatively hard, you can insert it directly. It's connected like this. After connecting, if you want to take it out, you need to press the yellow button down. Then you can pull it out. Well, then good. Now let's demonstrate the separation table head, how to connect the wires below. Let me take apart these two connectors. Here, there is a small notch here, like this joint. There is also a small notch here, which can be connected if the direction is wrong. It can't be inserted only if the direction is correct. It can be inserted. After insertion, we tighten the knob. In this way, it is connected. It's also more secure and can't be opened. Then, I will now demonstrate the watch's measurement. Now charge it. Charge it, and this is the normal measurement. This is temperature. This is density, and this is water. Just put it in, and it will directly show the density. Please pay attention to the surroundings of the probe, and try to have no obstacles and no bubbles. Then, try to immerse the liquid probe in the liquid, to be completely submerged in the liquid by 2 centimeters. Well, let me demonstrate the method of density correction and percentage correction. Press OK. Then press OK again. Enter the password. 172. Press OK. This is the density correction. If the density value is too high, change the plus sign to a minus sign. Subtract the amount by which it is high. Or if the density is low, add as much as it is low. Okay. Percentage correction. Use the same method. If it's higher, subtract that much. Or add as much as it is low. Or add how much less. Exit after correction. Okay.